Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at some data recovery software. In my opinions, it's one of the best ones out there. I've used a lot of different tools out there to try to recover deleted files, both from my hard drive and external devices. And some of them are rather expensive, costing well over $100. There's some free ones out there, which I've never had luck with any of the free ones. And then there's this one here, which is one of the ones that I found that actually work the best, and it costs around $49. And so I just want to give you a quick demo of it, and actually you can download a free trial of it. You can come to this website. It's revivemyfiles.com. I put the link under this video in the description box. If you click on it, it'll take you straight to this page where you can download it, get more information about it. And you can see here they are also a Microsoft partner. So this isn't some cheap generic software you're going to find out there, but this software has been downloaded hundreds of thousands of times. A lot of small businesses actually use this software to recover files for their clients and end up charging them, $100 to $200 each time they do it. That's how well the software works. And if you have any kind of data on your computer or even external devices, such as USB drives, flash drives, digital cameras, even external hard drives, this is a great tool to use to recover those files. Now, not every file may be recoverable. I just want you guys to understand that if files have been deleted from your device or your hard drive for a long time and you've installed other files on top of it, there's a chance that you've overwritten the old files and they can no longer be recovered. And then there's also the option, or not really the option, but on the other hand, where the device, the memory card or external drive you're using may just be malfunctioned, and if that's the case, then it may not read it at all. But if your device is still in good working condition, and if you've accidentally deleted something, if you've partitioned a hard drive, and if you realize there were files on there you needed back, this is a great tool to get those back with. Now, if you download the free trial at revivemyfiles.com, it'll actually scan your computer for free, or your device that you have hooked up to your computer, and it'll check and show you the files that it can recover before you ever have to buy it, which is one reason why I did check into this, because I got tired of buying software that didn't work. And this one here actually gives you the option to scan first to see what files you can recover, and then if you want, you can purchase the software. And so here we are on the main screen, and you'll see there's 4 tabs over here. Really 3 you're going to use. The About one is where you enter your license code. But your main scan tab is just basically going to give you the options to do a quick scan, a full scan, or if you want to be guided through it, it'll take you through a guided scan. And by a guided scan, it asks you if you want to recover items from a reformatted drive, an existing partition, which you can choose here. If there's specific file names you're looking for, you can type them in and it'll search for those. You can also recover lost emails and recover items on external devices such as your iPods and digital cameras. The Advanced tab is really quick. You can search for a specific file here as well. You can click these areas to scan if there were files deleted from a recycle bin. Maybe you didn't have names on them, or even corrupted hard drive sectors, reformatted partitions. It will search those areas as well to find those files of the name that you put up here. Otherwise, you're just going to select down here what drive you want it to scan, and it's going to scan that drive for all kinds of files that you've either deleted on purpose, deleted accidentally, or just files that have been, for some reason or another, are no longer viewable on that drive, but they were once there. So this here is my Patriot flash drive, and just as a quick example, I'm going to select that, click Start Scan, and you can see here it says scanning for recoverable files, and over here it says the items found. And on this flash drive, I add and delete a lot of stuff on this drive. It's used for my business, and that's why. And so you can see here that it also categorizes what it finds on those drives into different folders, and there's a lot of different folders that show up here based upon what files it finds. For example, there's some for media, for images, for video, for audio, and what it'll do is categorize all those into different files, and then by clicking these plus signs, it'll show you what those files are so you can see them before you even recover them. And so once you're done scanning, I'm not going to go through all this because it'll take a really long time. It says so far it found 240 items, and you can choose down here where you want to recover the files to. by selecting that, you can choose to recover them to an external drive if you want, or even on your desktop. And then you simply click recover, and if you haven't registered the software, you'll have to do that first. But once you click recover, it's just going to take all those files and it's going to restore them to the location that you choose here. And so really that's how easy the software is to work. There's also the option here for email to find emails that you've lost or deleted from Microsoft Outlook. And that's really all there is to it. It's a great tool. I haven't had any issues with it yet. I've been able to recover files from my computer, from reformatted partitions, from digital camera cards, from USB drives. I've been able to recover files from pretty much anything that I've lost, as long as the cards weren't corrupted or something was or I've overwritten the files already. And so check it out. You can download the free trial, like I said, here at revivemyfiles.com. And once again, I did put this link under the video. You can click on it. It'll take you straight here so you can download it and try it yourself.